podcast channel dedicated to all English majors inside the Pamantasan of Lungsod ng Valenzuela. Hi, my name is Cassandra May Argaliego.
In this podcast channel, we are going to have any discourse related to our program and to the university. And this channel is meant to become a safe den for everyone. Hi, I'm Kobe Biamano, and welcome to
Phoenix Nest.
Nest.
Hello,
Hi,
everyone.
hello.
A pleasant day
Welcome
to
to our
you.
first episode.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is our pilot episode. Are you excited, Cassie?
Of course, I'm excited.
I'm excited as well because today we're going to have an interview to different people, their different stories, different perspective as students. Yeah.
Okay, wow, that's very interesting.
And yeah, they're not any kind of students because they are students from Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Valenzuela.
Yeah.
And we're going to have six guests from them. Dami, 6 guests. So yeah, without further ado, Miss Cassie, let's introduce them one by one.
Okay, so our first guests, we have Miss Robalyn Tilio and Mr. James Mata.
Hi, welcome.
Welcome to our podcast, to the both of you. So you're going to introduce yourself, state your name, your year, and your current program.
So hello everyone, my name is Renito James Mata and I'm currently studying Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English Language and Literature.
Hello everyone, I'm Robalyn Tilio. I'm currently in third year English major in PLB.
Okay, so how's your day? Are you excited here?
Yes.
Yes,
They're excited. I can see it. I can see to see us of their eyes.
So yeah, as you know, the purpose of this interview, of course, is for you to answer some of our questions, some of our prepared questions. So yeah, here's the magic box, and you're going to pick.
A question from our magic box.
Yeah, and let me read that for you.
Question
Okay, for
please.
our question number 1, out of all schools in Valenzuela City, why did you choose PLV?
Why PLV?
Why PLV?
Yeah.
So to answer that question, I am a very practical person, and I think that being said is impacted my decision making. Back when I was still applying for college admission, I considered PLB because I think it is the most convenient and the most practical decision for me, because I considered the quality education and the location of the school. I want I want my school to be near at my house for transportation, and I don't want hassle kasi yeah.
How about you, Mr. James?
So just like what she said, because of practicality, we chose PLB. And also I chose PLB because it offers the program that I really want, which is the Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. And
Are you enjoying naman your program right now?
yes,
Yes.
yes. Nakaka-enjoy naman siya.
Yes.
By the way.
Yeah.
Pwede naman.
So yeah, that's what an interesting answer. How about you, Mr. Kobe?
I agree with Miss Tilio's answers because I think practicality must be prioritized always. Yeah, because di naman tayo ganun di naman tayo ganun kayaman. Not all of us are privileged
Yes.
to have, to enter such universities that she mentioned. Actually, just like Miss Tilio, I had different universities in mind that I want to enroll when I was going to start my college year. Those were UP and national PNU, and then PMU. However, I had to prioritize like what she said, I had to prioritize the location of the school. And diba? Ang hirap naman kasi kung papasok ka sa university, napakalayo sa bahay. Isipin mo, I had to travel using train for 30 minutes just to travel into Manila and Quezon if I were, enrolled in UP. So that's why I think practicality must be prioritized then.
Okay, that's very
How about you?
Yeah, same goes to your answer as well.
Financial
I can
Financial.
afford to to pay such tuition fee in school that I want to enter such the Our Lady of Lourdes College because I really want to pursue criminology. However, because of some crisis, like financial crisis, my family just decided for me to enroll in PLB.
But what's nice PLB aside from like what he said, offering programs, it's free for everyone.
yeah, that's
Everyone
true,
can enroll
yeah.
in PLB. And like what we are experiencing right now, they are really providing the best quality education they can provide to their students. Kasi they're aiming to like produce they're aiming to produce quality professionals in the future. Yeah.
Yes, quality and affordable.
Affordable.
Yes,
Ano yung
okay.
pagkain sila? Ayan.
Yeah. So yeah, thank you for
Thank you
answering
for
our
that.
questions. So we will be right back.
We'll be right back.
Next.
Kasi laki lang yan, no? O,
Pwede
pwede
ba
ba tayo magtagalog talaga?
Okay na yun.
Oo,
Tapos
pwede
ano,
na.
tangi siya tayo. Tapos bago tayo magpapasok, usap muna tayo sa
Okay.
Parang pander muna natin yung
Pwede
sinabi.
na din, pwede ba talaga